Did you know you can easily turn Google Docs, PowerPoints, URLs, audio, and recordings into videos in minutes? Yes, you heard me. Take a look at how you can take your content creation to another level using Pictory AI.
This is Pictory, the all-in-one AI video platform to script, generate, host, and deliver interactive videos, designed to turn anyone into a professional video creator. Transform ideas or repurpose your existing content and documents into market-ready videos. Create from text, URLs, PowerPoints, audio, screen recordings, and more. Summarize long-form content. Apply brand kits automatically to ensure consistency, then resize and publish anywhere. Put the right face and voice behind every message. With avatars, create presenter-led videos aligned to your brand, your audience, and your goals. Choose from millions of studio-grade video assets in our library. Upload your own, or use AI Studio to generate custom visuals directly inside your workflow. Then refine every scene with the control modern creators expect. AI when you need speed, and creative flexibility where it matters. Ensure that your video makes an impact with hyper-realistic AI voiceovers, captions, and background music. Create a team workspace where you can share assets and collaborate effectively with colleagues and clients. Then, host your videos with engagement built in. Add chapters, quizzes, and calls to action, and share interactive video experiences in one seamless flow. Professional video created by you, scaled with AI. Join the millions of video creators and businesses who have made Pictory their home for video creation, sharing, and hosting.
Tired of spending hours creating videos? Discover how you can turn your existing content into engaging videos in minutes with Pictory AI. Welcome! We're here to show you the game changer in video production, Pictory AI, designed to make video creation fast, easy, and professional. Traditional video creation is slow, complex, and requires specialized skills. It often becomes a bottleneck for content creators and businesses. Introducing Pictory AI, the revolutionary tool that uses artificial intelligence to automate video creation from long-form content. Pictory AI excels at transforming various content types into compelling videos, streamlining your content repurposing efforts. Instantly convert your Google Docs and PowerPoints into video scripts and professional videos, preserving your original context and style. You can also turn URLs, audio files, and recordings into engaging videos, making content repurposing effortless across all your platforms. Let's look at the key features that make Pictory AI the essential tool for modern video content creation. Create with realistic AI voiceovers and custom avatars to bring your scripts to life without needing to be on camera. Automatic captions ensure accessibility, while built-in branding tools help maintain a consistent and professional look across all your videos. Choose from a vast library of stock media, or use your own custom visuals, all seamlessly integrated into one efficient workflow. So why choose Pictory AI? It's simple: speed, quality, and scalability. Achieve professional quality videos that look like they took hours to produce, but are created by you in minutes. Scale your video production effortlessly using AI, allowing you to consistently meet the demands of a growing audience. Pictory AI empowers you to create more content faster and with higher quality than ever before. Stop working harder and start working smarter. Leverage Pictory AI to maximize your content strategy. Ready to transform your content? Visit Pictory's website by following the link in the description of this video and start your free trial of Pictory AI today.